I always have hair in my face. In my last sort of blogish video, I showed you guys the spider in my shower. And I think I also told you that I was really afraid of spiders. Well, I'm still really afraid of spiders. Nothing's changed. And something worse has happened. There's not the spider in my shower anymore. Although if he was there, he wouldn't really bother me. I mean, you know, someone commented he's just harmless, right? Like, just common house spider. Now there's a spider in my hallway. This freaky, scary, terrifying. I'm like actually starting to tear up. Just thinking about it. I'm getting so freaked out. So I'm going to show you how absolutely disgusting he is. I don't know how close I can get. I'm actually pretty freaking scared. I want to get closer because like he's really hideous. Oh my god, he's so scary. I want him to move just to like freak you guys out. Like maybe if I make noise. I can't make too much noise because everyone's sleeping, but like, hello little spider, don't hurt me. That was like so horrific. I hope you guys totally enjoyed that, because that was terrifying for me. That spider is huge, and he's hairy, and like he's got these weird little tentacle eye things that are like his legs but smaller. They're so gross. And he's so gross.